to ride your bike with one hand. Actually, not really. The quick tip is how to drink while you're riding. There's no bumps. Put your weight more towards your seat. So the hand that you lean on is just sitting there. It's not really doing a lot of things, you know. You can take it out if you want, but since Brompton wheels are very small, I usually don't. This was the quick tip for today. How to take your hands off. Like this. Thank you. I need it. I use it all the time because I have to film it and I like to drink my water. Sometimes we eat while you're riding, so it's a good place to learn. Oh, let's stop here. Hope you like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of the channel yet, please subscribe. And very, very important thing, especially for the quick tips, to be notified, you know, so YouTube can tell you when the quick tips out. Yes, the little bell. I love the little bell. Hope you like it. It's a very quick one. It's just that Evelyn said, oh, I don't know how to ride with one hand. So there is, put your body on top of your seat and the remaining hand, don't put weight on it, you know, it's just soft. Leave it soft so you can manage your bicycle, but you're not gonna, you know, you're driving your bicycle by the core. Funny, isn't it? Yeah, but that's how it works. I like it. Leave you with this beautiful view.